What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's episode of DIY Dad. We are going to be changing out the sprinkler heads here. We actually had some bushes here that we took out, and per our HOA, we have to lower these sprinklers down to ground level now. So today, that's going to be our project. We're going to be lowering these sprinklers down to ground level. Our first step here, we need to dig one of these up so we can see what we're working with, so we can get the pieces that we need, and then we will continue on. So let's dig one of these up and see what we're working with. Okay, so I have this one dug up here. We are working with 1/2-inch pipe here. It looks like it's all glued with PVC together. So we're actually going to have to cut this down here. We'll get some funny pipe and some connectors and some new sprinkler heads, and that's what we'll install. So we'll go ahead and dig the rest of this up, and I'll meet you back here in just a second. Let's just clean this pipe off, try to get as much dirt off as we can. We don't have to flush the system again. We'll cut the pipe. Looks good. Cut it. There we go. All right, now let's get us some fittings and get them put on there. Okay, so the first connection we're doing here is we're gonna slip this over the PVC there in the ground, and then this one has threads in it, so we got this 1/2-inch swing pipe connector that we're gonna put in there, just like that. We're gonna glue that in, then we're gonna put some swing pipe on here, another 90-degree swing pipe connector, and then the sprinkler. So that's our game plan. So let's go ahead and get this part glued on. Here we go. So first we're gonna prime it. Cement on there. Throw our fitting on there. There we go. Okay, now that that's set, we can put in our 1/2-inch adapter for our swing pipe. All right. Nice and snug. There we go. All right, here we go. We got our piece of swing pipe cut here. Let's get that put on. Okay. And I want to put this adapter in here. 90-degree swing pipe adapter. Make sure you get that adapter in all the way past the barbs. last piece is our sprinkler here. So there we go. So that's going to be our sprinkler at about ground level right there. So here's a close-up of what we did. We cut that pipe off right there. We put that 90-degree on right there with the 1/2-inch swing pipe connector. Ran some swing pipe to the sprinkler head. Now we just got to fill it in and we'll be good to go on this one. We just have to do it 1, 2, 3 more times and we'll be in business. So let's take care of the other 3 and I'll meet you back here in just a few minutes. Okay, we have got them all down in the ground. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got them all done. Now we just need to test them and make sure they work and adjust them. All right, there we go. You can see they're on. All 4 of them are working good. We've got them aligned properly. So I'm calling that a job well done. So that's irrigation made easy. So you can do this too. Nice project that took maybe hour and a half. My son did come out and dig half the holes for me, so that helped out a lot. So we got it done. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time.